In this video, I'll show you how to create a professional email signature in Zoho Mail that makes your messages look polished and personal. Let's get started. First, log into your Zoho Mail account and click on the settings gear icon in the top right corner. From the menu, find and select signatures. Now, click the plus icon to create a new signature. Give it a name like personal or work so you can easily identify it later. In the editor box, type your details such as your name, title, company, and contact info. You can also add images, links, or social media handles for a more professional touch. Use the formatting tools to adjust fonts, bold, italics, or alignment until it matches your style or brand identity. When you're happy with your design, click Update to save it. Don't forget this step, otherwise your changes won't stay. Finally, decide whether you want this signature to apply to all outgoing emails or just specific addresses in your Zoho Mail account. And that's it. You've successfully set up your own email signature in Zoho Mail. Now your emails will look polished and professional every time you hit send.